everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. I'm on winter break, which is why I am doing this video from home rather than school, because I'm trying to be really intentional about staying away from my classroom during my break, focusing on myself and kind of giving myself that much needed break so that when I return in January, I feel refreshed. Many of you might know what I'm talking about, but I did want to pop in and let you know that I just put together a blog post that shares some good activities, good ideas for when you do start planning your January theme. I know we don't want to talk about that right now, but January's around the corner and planning will have to happen soon. So what I've done is put together all of my favorite January themes, as well as some fun activities that we've done. I have a lot of different collections such as fine motor and large motor, literacy, math, science, and so much more. I have links to all of my free winter printables. Everything is in one blog post, and I'm going to put a link in the description. And I also, if you are looking for lesson plans that are already done for you, I do have a winter lesson plan packet that I helped create, and that link is also in the description, so you can check that out as well. And as we get ready to enter 2020, I hope that you all have a healthy and prosperous year. I have so much more planned for this year to share with you, so make sure to keep in touch. If you're not subscribing yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notifications of every time I publish a new video. Thanks for watching.